BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 25 of season 3. Today's word is niche. Would you like to know what it means? It means to have an expertise in a particular field. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word niche. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Niche is spelt as N-I-C-H-E. Subodh became a lawyer and practiced law for about 10 years. He was not happy with his profession. Therefore, he took a break from law and decided to pursue his hobby, painting. To his amazement, his paintings were appreciated by his friends, and within 6 months of beginning painting, he held an exhibition. Subodh finally realized that he had a niche for painting and he decided to focus on it. He noticed that Subodh had an expertise in painting and practicing that gave him both happiness as well as financial benefit. Listen carefully how we can use the word niche in 8 different forms in 8 different situations. Example number 1 of 8. Mr. Patel had a niche in following work ethics. This helped him in earning the respect of all his employees. Example number 2 of 8. Sugandha was a promising actress. She began participating in theatre play from a young age and wanted to carve a niche for herself in the field of acting. Example number 3 of 8. Instant Solutions was an advertising agency. Its aim was to create a niche for their clients' products and thereby creating a niche for themselves in the advertising world. This means they wanted to become experts in their field by giving excellent services to their clients. Example number 4 of 8. A friend of mine is in the business of manufacturing socks for children in the age 8 to 12 years. When we met, I was very curious to know how does he do business in this niche segment. Learn to speak English fluently and confidently from any part of the world from our certified expert trainers. To know more about our online English speaking courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Savio had a niche in archaeological knowledge. Hence, he took up a job in the City Museum. Example number 6 of 8. The sales of an incense sticks firm were dropping. The board of directors discussed the issue and came to a conclusion that the company had failed to reach a niche in the fragrance industry. Example number 7 of 8. Dipali was the owner of a cafe that was located near a college. The cafe was in a niche locality which helped her get customers, but she also focused on providing excellent services. Example number 8 of 8. The name of a furnishing brand was My Home. Their products were expensive and their clients belonged to an affluent, means a very rich class. This shows that they had carved a niche for themselves in providing good quality products. Today we learnt the word niche, which means to have an expertise in a particular field. Can you frame 3 sentences with niche and type in our comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. Do subscribe to our podcast, BM English Speaking Radio, and stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. This was episode number 25 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 AM Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 a.m. with a new word.